Introducing COLLADERM, the future of regenerative skincare. Bioengineered by generative AI for multi-layered skin regeneration, powered by deeper skin science. Developed at Entodd Beauty London, the UK's premier dermatology research lab built on over 48 years of innovation and integrity. COLLADERM, formulated with quattro collagen system and transcellular liposomal technology, regenerates skin from within. We have developed a dual molecular weight quattro collagen system using generative AI, guided molecular bioengineering, and advanced design algorithms. Combining both high and low molecular weight forms of Type III and Type XVII collagens, ensuring deep delivery and skin barrier reinforcement. Low molecular weight collagens move faster, penetrate deeper layers, promoting cellular repair, collagen synthesis, and anti-aging effects. High molecular weight collagens move slower, remain more superficial, forming a protective hydrating film and reinforcing the skin barrier. Type XVII collagen works at the basement membrane level, supporting skin architecture and stimulating stem cell pathways. Type III collagen penetrates deeper into the dermis, promoting regeneration and improving elasticity. Collagen peptides and mimetic actives are encapsulated in ultra-fine liposomes, allowing them to bypass the skin barrier and deliver nutrients directly to skin cells, improving collagen bioavailability and skin compatibility. A curated blend of collagens, hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and vitamin C boosts elasticity and firmness, reduces fine lines and wrinkles, heals scars and marks, strengthens the skin barrier, supports hydration, antioxidant defense, and collagen co-activation. COLLADERM, India's first quattro collagen transdermal gel serum, bioengineered by generative AI.